In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set custom resolution in any Steam games. By the end, you'll know how to launch a game at the exact width and height you want using a simple command, which is great for ultra-wide setups, older titles, or squeezing more performance from your system. Start by opening the Steam app and signing into your account. Once you're in, head to the Library tab. This is where all your installed games are listed, and it's the hub for managing each title's settings. Find the game you want to adjust. When you see it in the list, right-click the game's name and choose Properties. This opens a panel that controls how the game launches and behaves. In the Properties window, make sure you're on the General tab. You'll see a field labeled Launch Options. Think of this as a box where you can pass commands to the game as it starts. We're going to use it to set a custom resolution. The syntax is short and very specific: W width H height. For example, if you want 3840 by 1240, type W3840H1240. Notice there's a space between the width and the height, and the letters W and H are uppercase. Don't add an X between the numbers, don't use commas or extra symbols, and don't include quotes. Just the two commands with a single space. If you're aiming for a different size, like 1280 by 720 for an ultra-wide monitor, you'd type W1280H720. Make sure the resolution you choose is supported by your display and graphics settings. If it isn't, the game may revert, show black bars, or fail to launch until you remove or correct the entry. The good news is Steam saves your changes automatically, so once you've entered the command, you can simply close the Properties window. Now launch the game from your library. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.